A brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get your driver's license in Michigan. So before we start this video, watch until the end of the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask any questions so other people can answer your questions and I can also try to answer. So you go to michigan.go and you got to click on driver's license services. And then after you do it, you're going to click on you're going to click on office visits since these are the unavailable ones, but if they become available, I'll make another video. So what you do is you need to gather all the required documents. You need to bring your SSN, your green card if you have it, or employment authorization card, or your passport, or something that shows that you're real. And also you need to bring your what is it called? The driver's license documents. So you need to bring your um, what is it called? The instructor driving like the online course that you finished, like your certificate. And then after you do, you're gonna click on go to online services and then or if you can schedule an online visit. So you go click here, you have to click on login to renew my driver's license or ID, or you can do like like get the new ones. So let's check this out. You can schedule a visit up to 6 months in advance. So you need to select the category. You need to click on driver's license ID renewal or to real ID, driver's license relations and transfer. So 1 minute, let me find it and I'll be back. I think that you guys have to click on, like you have to log in here. If you can log in, I would prefer everyone to go to the website. So go here, um, like go back here. So 1 minute, guys. Go to schedule an office visit. Um, so you need to take a knowledge exam. Since you have to take the knowledge exam, I would prefer everyone to go to this place and then click on exams and what is it called? First time Michigan driver's license or permit. So click on here. Since you're just getting it, like you're moving to Michigan. I have read the terms. Like let's click here next, and you gotta do your confirmation number when you have done the pre-application. If you didn't do it, click on here. Click on the bottom. Previous license, like or any like state ID that you have. I'm gonna click no since you're just like moving from a different country. We're just making these up, and then you need to click on I understand that are you a resident of state Michigan, and like fill that out, and then get the location that's closest to you. So don't forget to bring your documents. Make sure that you are um, like 15 minutes early, since you have to wait like if you like miss it, you have to wait like 2-3 days to like redo it. So I would prefer everyone to go like early. And yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.